mag Ulaya osiro grube 10 mawuok kaunti ma Kisii kod Nyamira mar yango kenge mag kedo gi rocho ratiro mag nyithindo mago ma nyiri. Jokanyo mag riwruogno yango ni gidhi timo duto e rakore gi timbe mag nyange marocho ngima nyiri. Riwruogego ma oyudo sir kowuok riwruog EU kata European Union oyango chung' margi mar siro chenro ma kamano.
Tumekuwa na wageni kutoka the EU delegation na wageni pia kutoka Finnish Embassy ambao tumekuja ku-launch project ambayo tunafanya pamoja na ISF, kikundi chetu kinaitwa ISF, na tumekuja ku-support vikundi ambao tunafanya kazi hapa Nyamira na Kisii. Vikundi vidogo ambao wanahitaji support kutoka kwetu kupigana mambo ya gender based violence.
It's really my pleasure to be here in Kisii, Nyamira counties today and also still tomorrow on matters that are very important also to the Finnish government, that we work a lot in hand with the Kenyan government countering FGM and other forms of gender based violence. And I'm very happy to hear about new initiatives and very innovative ways of trying to put even more emphasis on countering this vice, especially during these times when the FGM is getting, we are getting into the cutting season where more girls are under threat of undergoing this FGM.